What's up, guys? 2017 National Treasures Full Case Random Number 1. The good stuff. Checklist looks awesome. We are live. 803. Timestamp it. Already have the teams and the names in. We do both. Throw you in a spreadsheet. Wherever you line up, that's who you get. Dice has to be 4 or more. It is a 5. We're going 5 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Redskins on top. Lions on the bottom. NEWAOD is the code for the team. Let's go to the names again. 4 more. 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and number 11. Derek on top. Eric Thames on the bottom. EEHBBG is your code for the name. Again, guys, wherever you line up, that's who you get. Boom, there you go. Alright, guys, thanks. Good luck, everybody. And we are done. Timestamp is 8:05.